First, it's the exchanges and trading firms, and now it's multiple lending groups. Crypto platforms are falling one by one like a set of dominoes. Let me show you what's going on and what you can do to protect yourself. How's it going, everyone? My name is Jake with Trade Confident, and I'm here to talk about the multiple lending platforms that have stopped withdrawals, one even filing for bankruptcy. We're seeing a massive contagion throughout the crypto market after the FTX collapse last week. Many platforms were still exposed to FTX, and honestly, this whole thing is taking crypto by storm. This is not great news. I will say I do think crypto will survive all of this, but it's going to be a very difficult road ahead of us. I certainly don't think this will be the last of the effects of the FTX collapse. But in recent news here, BlockFi has ceased withdrawals and is likely filing for bankruptcy. BlockFi is a massive lending platform. On top of this, Genesis, another lending platform, has ceased withdrawals as well, which is affecting multiple outlets. With that, I'm going to talk about the news and show you exactly what's going on. First, I'm going to talk to you about BlockFi. Crypto lender BlockFi preps for possible bankruptcy filing after FTX woes, Wall Street Journal. The company had previously suspended withdrawals in wake of the collapse of the exchange FTX last week. Crypto lender BlockFi is preparing a potential bankruptcy filing because of its significant exposure to bankrupt crypto exchange FTX, the Wall Street Journal reported on Tuesday. The lender denied rumors that a majority of its assets were held at FTX, but did acknowledge on Monday that in addition to having deposits on the platform, it had an undrawn line of credit from FTX and obligations that FTX owed it. Last week, BlockFi paused customer withdrawals in the wake of FTX's implosion that started with CoinDesk's report that raised questions about the balance sheet of trading firm Alameda Research, FTX's sister company. BlockFi is a really big company. This is really unfortunate to hear. So anybody that is on the lending platform, it sounds like you are not able to withdraw your cash anymore. And it is very likely at this point that BlockFi is preparing a potential bankruptcy filing. Genesis halts crypto lending, blames the FTX implosion. The lending division of crypto asset manager Genesis has put a halt to customer redemptions and new loan originations, a move that's already disrupting crypto services across the ecosystem. The decision stemmed from the building fallout of FTX's collapse. Reverberations started with broader exchange liquidity issues triggered by a rush by big money traders taking their digital assets off of exchanges in favor of safer cold storage solutions. Now, industry participants told Blockworks the FTX contagion is spreading and crypto credit markets and hit one of the largest operators, Genesis. Genesis executives explained the situation to institutional clients on a call Wednesday morning, according to a source familiar with the matter. Another source last week told Blockworks that Genesis was functionally insolvent. It is important to note here, Genesis has three primary business lines: spot and derivative trading, lending and borrowing, and custody. Our spot and derivatives trading and custody businesses remain fully operational. So if you are with Genesis, it sounds like it's just the lending that's having issues and facing insolvency. They added that with regards to its lending operations, the New York firm's #1 priority is to serve our clients and preserve their assets. Therefore, we have taken the difficult decision to temporarily suspend redemptions and new loan originations in the lending business. We're working diligently to shore up the necessary liquidity to meet our lending client obligations. Now, this is having really far-reaching complications here. Circle and Genesis parent Digital Currency Group signed a $25 million deal in 2020 aimed at accelerating global adoption of USDC in mainstream finance. As a part of the strategic partnership, Genesis would help Circle add new USDC yield and lending services. The idea was to allow companies to generate strong positive yields on their own USDC holdings as well as those of their customers. Circle listed 0.25% annual percentage yield on its yield product on Tuesday per an Internet Archive. Today, that figure has been reduced to 0%. Blockworks has reached out for comment. This shows right here, if you're lending Circle USDC, you will get absolutely zero money back. This is very concerning for Circle and USDC, at least for the lending part specifically. Gemini earn withdrawals paused. Cryptocurrency exchange Gemini is another major industry player to announce issues as the Genesis contagion spreads. Its Gemini earn product has paused withdrawals, and the exchange released a statement noting that we are aware that Genesis Global Capital, is the lending partner of earn program, has paused withdrawals and will not be able to meet customer redemptions within the service level agreement of 5 business days. However, the exchange also noted that products and services are unaffected, stating that Gemini is a full reserve exchange and custodian. All customer funds held on the Gemini exchange are held one-to-one and are available for withdrawal at any time. So at this time, the next major punch in the crypto catastrophe here is lending platforms. It looks like Genesis, who provides the lending partnerships for many different firms, including Circle, who controls USDC, and the Gemini exchange, has stopped withdrawals and is not able to meet customer redemptions within the service level agreement of 5 business days. So best case scenario here, withdrawals are temporarily delayed. Worst case, they will be fully suspended. We don't know yet, but we will keep you updated on that. On top of this, BlockFi is facing similar issues where they are not able to provide any sort of withdrawals at all. They've suspended all withdrawals on their platform, and they are likely facing bankruptcies here. So we will need to keep everyone updated on this. At this point, it really does feel like cryptocurrency is becoming a house of cards. It seems like once the FTX exchange died, it seems like we are seeing major fallout all across the market. So we will be needing to keep everyone updated. Now, I know this is a lot of FUD, a lot of fear, uncertainty, and doubt. I have to say, I do not think crypto is dead. People have said crypto is dead pretty much since the beginning of cryptocurrency. I don't think this is the end of crypto, but we are weeding out a lot of really bad players in the market. We're seeing what works and what doesn't work, and we're seeing the free market take its course, which was the original intention of cryptocurrency in the first place. But at this point, what can you do to protect yourself and your money? The number one thing you can do is focus on risk management. This means diversification across exchanges. This means doing due diligence on the exchange you choose to use. This means looking at their history, looking at the people involved, looking at the higher ups in the trading companies, looking at whether or not they are fully backed, looking at the trust of each exchange, all sorts of stuff like that. Once you have an exchange selected, it could be a good idea, especially if you have a lot of money in cryptocurrency, to spread it out across multiple exchanges, and so if one goes down, you still have money in the rest of your exchanges. Another thing you can do is use a cold storage wallet. Now, we have an affiliate link down below for Ledger. Ledgers are a cold storage wallet, and you will not lose your crypto from this because, as the saying goes, not your keys, not your crypto. The Ledger wallet allows you to have your own keys. You have your own crypto storage. Unless you personally go bankrupt, your crypto is not going anywhere on a Ledger. So if you want to try that out, check out the link in the description. Full disclosure, it is an affiliate link, but Ledger really does work. Now, for those that are actively trading, it really helps to have really good trading data. Let me show you an example of what this looks like. What you're looking at right now are the macro metrics on the tradeconfident.io website. This gives you access to really important information. Like right here, Ethereum saw a massive drop in long trades with a much smaller drop in short trades. What this essentially means is people are no longer longing Ethereum. This was likely a huge drop off in whale trades, showing that we could possibly see a move down. So having data like this will help you manage your trades. You can find these charts along with many other important ones like emotional indexes, dominance charts, whale and money, institutional money sentiment charts. You can see all of that and more, including market reversal charts for day-to-day trades. This gives you access to buy and sell signals along with confirmation on the TC market reversal charts. You can get access to all of this and more with the Trade Confident membership at the link below. So for those that are trading and not holding their crypto in cold storage, trading with accurate information that is updated daily will be extremely important. So be sure to check out our membership in the links below. Another facet of trading data, which is really important, is using indicators. Now, the trend exhaustion, price versus well money flow, and TC top and bottom finder indicators from Trade Confident do this amazingly. You'll get really good buy and sell signals. If you haven't checked out my last video, check that one out. It showed 36% profit in the 7 days since the FTX collapse on Dogecoin using a really simple, easy to follow strategy. And 36% profit was the minimum. There's tons of potential for even more. All you had to do was just adjust your take profit higher. So if you want access to this, here, I'll actually even show you on this chart. Let me pull up Doge here. Each of these green lines shows an instance of a strong buy signal or a buy signal that lines up with the trend exhaustion and price versus well money flow low on their charts. taking a 4% profit on each of these trades. We showed that with $1,000, you would have made over $360 in less than 7 days after the collapse of the FTX exchange. So for those that are actively trading, it's really important to have accurate trading data. We provide this in our membership, but even more important is the indicators, so you can get live trading data. You can adjust the TC top and bottom finder to fit your needs. Check it out. Like the signal strength is 40 here. If I want more signals, I can adjust it lower. This is good for higher time frames that tend to not post as many signals, but on lower time frames like this, a signal strength of 40 is fantastic. Now we are running a Black Friday sale, guys. This is the biggest sale we've ever done on the TC top and bottom finder, trend exhaustion, price versus well money flow. You can get these indicators for up to $450 off in the links in the description. Once you click that link, it'll bring you to this page right here. What you're going to want to do is scroll down, and in order to get the best deal possible, you'll have to snag the bundle pack first using save code 50 right here. What this will do is give you the price versus well money flow and the trend exhaustion indicators that I just showed you, along with 7 other indicators here. But the bundle pack will also come with a $400 off coupon for the TC top and bottom finder and TC market reversal indicators here. This in total is that $450 discount. This gives you all 11 of Trade Confidence indicators for cheaper than just these 2 on their own. Now, if you still want to get these 2 indicators alone, you can still use Holiday 300 for $300 off the TC top and bottom finder and TC market reversal here. No matter what you purchase, though, you get lifetime access for a one-time payment and full dedicated email support. So if you ever have any questions, whether you're a member, whether you purchase the indicators, whether you're just wanting to get some information about trading, be sure to email us at betradeconfident@gmail.com. We'd be happy to help you out. And just to clarify, the indicators sold here, the one-time purchase lifetime access, is sold separate from the $75 membership, which gives you the daily updated charts. With that, thank you so much for watching, guys. We really appreciate it. The crypto market is going absolutely insane right now. We're seeing big drops after BlockFi, Genesis, Gemini, and USDC are seeing hits after the collapse of the FTX exchange here. So if you want to stay updated, it is really important to subscribe down below for more crypto content, education, and analysis every single weekday. With that, thanks again for watching. Trade safe, trade confident, and I'll see you in the next video.